8:39 in the morning, Sunday, October the 9th. There's a whole bunch of chachalacas there. They're not making any sounds. Call. Right there. Let's see. You can see a chachalaca right there. There's more of them. I saw at least 4 or 5 of them. It's sprinkling. I thought I was getting moisture from the tree, but it's sprinkling. This is the one that I saw when I first came in. Camera can't pick it up, but it's sprinkling. This is a Y. The gentleman was telling me. Now you can hear the, I don't know if the rain can pick it up. The camera can pick up the rain. Now it's raining. And I'm under no canopy here. Oh, there was a mouse or a rat. Let me see if there's any place here nearby I could take cover. You can see the, let me see if I can hide under the palm frond. I'm gonna end the video since it's, I'm gonna write it out here. Okay, so the rain stopped. Or the drizzle has stopped. It's just a very light drizzle now. I've gotten this before. See, I like how there's more. This is a good sized body of water. I knew we had a bigger chance of rain yesterday. I'm not sure what. I didn't see the weather yesterday. I'm not sure what the percentage. Not sure the camera can pick up the rain. Check that out. Maybe that I gotta hide under a tree, one of those palms. I'm gonna end the video again. No, let's just go walk fast. Go back to the palm tree over there. ride it out. Oh, there we go. You can see Texas tortoises. I haven't seen that whiptail, spiny lizard, bobcat. A lot of animals, a lot of wildlife. Let me hide over here. No, let's just continue walking. I was gonna hide under the palm tree there. Maybe I'll I see the exit, so that's good. I'm not too far away. I had to cut my trip short. Oh, a javalina. Check them out. There's one, there's got to be another one there somewhere. It's coming back out. That's a peckered cottery. Peckered cottery. It's a collared pecker, I think, or something like that. I just know it as a javalina.